Hello guys and welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch Formula One races live on your phone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device. In the search bar, type F1 TV and download the app. Once the app is installed, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now open the app, and here you'll need to either log in or create a new account. After signing in, you'll be able to access the available content. To watch live races, you may need an active subscription, so you can go ahead and choose a plan that works for you. Once that's done, you'll be able to watch Formula One races live directly on your phone. And that's it. That's how you can easily watch F1 races live using the F1 TV app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.